The clownfish isn't just famous from Finding Nemo. It's also a great fish in real life. It lives among poisonous anemones, and nothing happens to it. It has special skin that protects it as if it were wearing a diving suit. It swims gracefully and always seems in a hurry, as if it's running late for a very important meeting. They change sex if the group needs it. Literally, you're the boss now. They always live in groups and have a hierarchy, marine drama in every coral. And the best part? They're tiny, but with giant personalities. The kings of the reef with cartoon faces. Like if you've also found Nemo. See you at the next fun swim.